Hello everyone! Welcome to the Trivia Channel, the place to tickle your intellectual curiosity. Today's theme is something that sounds a bit difficult to name, but is actually very familiar to us: plasma. When we think of matter, we usually think of solids, liquids, and gases, right? But in fact, there is a fourth state beyond those three. That is plasma. So what exactly is plasma? Simply put, it is a state in which a gas is given so much energy that the electrons that make up its atoms have been ejected. It is a mixed world of electrons and positive particles, ions, that have lost their electrons and are flying around freely. To use an analogy, an ordinary gas is a town with people calmly walking around. Plasma, on the other hand, is like a festival square with balloons and people flying all over the place. Plasma has three characteristics. First, it conducts electricity. Second, it reacts to magnets. Third, it often emits light. When you hear all this, it sounds like something out of a science fiction movie. But plasma is actually very familiar to us. Take, for example, the light from fluorescent and neon tubes. They glow because the gas inside the tubes turns into plasma. Lightning is also a phenomenon in which air is converted into plasma, and even the aurora borealis is plasma from the sun dancing in the Earth's sky. And if we look at the universe, more than 99% of the visible universe is in a plasma state. The sun, stars, and gas in galaxies are mostly plasma. The Earth, where we live, is a world with an exceptionally large number of solids, liquids, and gases. And now, nuclear fusion power generation is being researched all over the world. This is a dream technology that uses high-temperature plasma, just like the sun, to generate vast amounts of clean energy. Furthermore, plasma is already supporting our daily life, such as semiconductor processing and medical sterilization. So, the fourth substance, plasma, is actually everywhere around us and in the universe. The next time you see a fluorescent light or see lightning, just grin a little and say, "Oh, I'm looking at plasma right now," and grin just a little bit. If you enjoyed today's trivia, please give us a high rating and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back next time with more topics to tickle your appetite for knowledge. See you soon!